Hello dears, now I'd like to show you one of our product, the flexible COB LED logo. Yeah, you can see it can bending. It's flexible and soft. We can customize the color temperature and the colors, red, yellow, green, blue, or any others. Because of the flexible material, it can bend freely, suitable for more widely complex environment. We have special technology in flexible COB LED. It is more flexible and applicable to long planar project applications and can realize the bendable state of any shape. It's easy to install and preserve. Flexible COB LED technology has special certifications for the application field of COB. Yeah, it's soft and bending freely. Very special. So let me know your ideas about your application. Let me make the flexible COB to you. Thank you.